If you want to set a song as a ringtone on a Google Pixel 11, first we need to open Settings. Now over here in Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, and then in here we should be able to find the ringtone option. Now we want to choose the My Sounds category and use this plus button in the bottom right corner. Now you will open this file selection, and most likely you will see something like this, so you might be able to find some recent files. You can also use other apps that are listed in here in order to find your song, but generally speaking, the best way to actually set this song is by having it on the phone's storage. So you will have to get the song, the audio file of that song, somehow on the phone's storage. Like, for example, you can transfer it from another device, like from your computer, for example, and so on and so forth. And in order to actually find it, you might need to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner. And then let's say over here you can go to the audio category, and you might be able to find it somewhere in here. So let's say that this is a song that I wish to set as a ringtone, then I can select it from this list, and then select it here on the list of ringtones. And then of course tap on Save in the upper right corner to apply that custom ringtone. Leave a like and subscribe.